Today we're going to be creating a virtual cash register with Claude AI. Create a virtual cash register. Include a space for, let's say it's a grocery store or a retail store that has items like chips, potato chips, coffee, Gatorade, and what else do you guys want in the inventory? Batteries as inventory. Five, create a virtual cash register. Include a space for potato chips, coffee, Gatorade, and batteries as inventory. Allow the cash handler to make correct change and allow the updates to be made available for future inventory slots in as few lines code as possible. Please and thank you. Now let's see what happens. So it says, here's your virtual cash register. It includes an inventory panel with potato chips, coffee, Gatorade, and batteries, each showing price and quantity. Cart that tracks what's added with a live running total on the screen display. Change calculator, type in the cash amount and it instantly shows change owed or how much short. Checkout, prints a receipt with a full coin bill breakdown for making exact change, and add new inventory slot. Form at the bottom, add any item with a name, price, and quantity, and it persists via local storage for future sessions. If I have my laptop right now, oh, there we go. Let's just make mobile friendly. I always forget to add that. So it had potato chips, tab navigation, proper viewport meta tag, ultra tap targets, max width of 480 pixels. Okay. Add some batteries, Gatorade, inventory slot. Let's say it costs $877, so they paid $10. Change 123. Check out. Thank you. I'll print off a receipt. So right here, your change is $1.23. Nice. So let's say they wanted coffee. I have 15 coffee left. And they wanted bag of potato chips for the kiddos. Boom. 448. Check out. Well, they're paying with 5. Boom. All right. Change 52 cents. Check out. Thank you. Okie doke. Nice, nice cash register with Claude AI. Want to do another example? Okay, let's say 18 potato chips left. About 2 bags of potato chips. Batteries for $4.99. I have 11 left of those, so 2 of those. $13.96. They pay with, let's say they have a $20 bill. Then their change is $604. Check out. Thank you. Have a good day. So that has been our virtual cash register with Claude AI. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget in the prompts to say please and thank you. And if you're using the free plan like myself, to add in as few lines of code possible. There's a cheat code to maximize what the tokens allow you to do with that prompt. This has been Advanced Lance. See you in the next one.